Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be providing you with a full guide on how to disable the Raise to Listen feature in Telegram. If you find the feature triggering unintentional actions or want to customize your Telegram experience, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open Telegram. Locate the Telegram app on your device and open it. Ensure that you have the latest version installed to access all the features and settings. Step 2. Tap on the 3 stacked lines. In the top left corner of the screen, you'll find 3 stacked lines. Tap on them to open the Telegram menu. Step 3. Tap on Settings. Within the menu, look for and tap on the Settings option. It is usually represented by a gear icon. Step 4. Tap on Chat Settings. Inside the Settings menu, you'll find various options related to your chat preferences. Look for and tap on the Chat Settings options. Step 5. Scroll down to the Media and Sound section. Keep scrolling within the chat settings until you reach the Media and Sound section. Step 6. Turn off the Raise to Listen option. Within the Media and Sound section, you'll find the Raise to Listen option. Tap on it to toggle it off and disable the Raise to Listen feature. Congratulations! You have successfully disabled the Raise to Listen feature in Telegram. Enjoy a smoother and more controlled chat experience. Please note that disabling the Raise to Listen feature will prevent accidental actions triggered by raising your device to your ear during a call. You can still use other methods to answer or interact with calls. We hope you found this tutorial helpful in disabling the Raise to Listen feature in Telegram. If you did, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more useful guides and tips. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please leave a comment below. Stay tuned for more exciting content. And until next time, enjoy your customized Telegram experience